Hurricane Milton made landfall Wednesday evening in Siesta Key, near Sarasota, Florida as a Category 3 storm. As the storm approached, it caused an outbreak of tornadoes across Central and South Florida that damaged homes and buildings and contributed to many of the 17 storm-related deaths from Hurricane Milton. 2 days after landfall, 1.9 million remain without power and communities are still clearing debris. Hurricane Milton caused extensive flooding, up to 18 inches of rain in some areas, and storm surges up to 8 feet along the western coastline. Search and rescue is winding down and response teams are pivoting to longer-term recovery efforts. During the storm, shelters in Florida housed more than 80,000. Now, the remaining open shelters are housing people who require specific assistance, including those with mobility, disability, or elevated medical needs. The hurricane caused substantial damage to Florida's agriculture, with estimated losses between $1.5 billion and $2.5 billion. Citrus crops were particularly affected, suffering from fruit drop and potential long-term tree mortality. Some misinformation has circulated regarding the hurricane's effects. For instance, a video falsely claimed to show the Anna Maria City Pier baked and grill shop drifting into the ocean. However, the structure remains in its original location, with only the pier walkway damaged. Immediate needs in the region include the restoration of electrical power, the provision of essential hygiene supplies, and reconnecting communities with access to health care, especially under-resourced communities that may be hesitant to seek care due to income levels, language barriers, and/or migratory status. In addition, Project Hope's team on the ground has identified a need for surge staffing support and relief for health workers at health facilities in the most heavily impacted communities along the western Florida coastline.